Hello, y'all. Let me just say, Disney World, it is the end of day 2, and I am exhausted. I'm probably going to be out of breath, so you'll just have to excuse me. But we just got in for the night, or I did. The boys are still out. They went to ride the Skyliner. Garrett loves the Skyliner, so they've had to ride it every single night. So anyway, but if y'all saw my video from yesterday, we went to Magic Kingdom, and I didn't get a lot of video on that day, but I did get some, and I'm sorry I wasn't on there personally to talk or explain anything, but y'all may have appreciated that for a change. But yeah, we went to Magic Kingdom yesterday. We went to Animal Kingdom today. We spent most of the day at Animal Kingdom, and then we came back to the room for a little bit, then went to Disney Springs and did a little shopping and ate supper, ate dinner, and just got back to the room. I did. So I'm exhausted. It's only the end of day 2, and my legs and feet are so sore. We have done so much walking, but that's a Disney World vacation for you, let me tell you. But I did get some good footage today from Animal Kingdom of some different shows that we saw, and maybe a couple of other things. I can't really remember. Oh, the safari ride with the animals. I did get some of that. I'm not sure what's going to be on that, so heads up. But I'll attach that all to this video, and should be a good video for day 2. I don't know if I'll video anything tomorrow. We're going to Epcot. Now that does have my favorite ride in all of Disney World, Soarin', and I usually ride it a lot, 6 or 7 times. Hopefully the line won't be long and I can ride it that long. So I may definitely video that because it's my favorite ride in all of Disney. But that may be the only thing. I may not do much videoing tomorrow. There's not a whole lot at Epcot that we do. And then tomorrow, my days are all mixed up because we started on Sunday and ending on Thursday. So my days are mixed up when I try to think about where we're going on what day. Tomorrow's Epcot, so Wednesday is Hollywood Studios, and then Thursday for our last day we're going back to Magic Kingdom. So I may do some more video in Magic Kingdom on Thursday. Maybe. We'll see how the week goes. But anyway, I'm not sure how much footage I have on Animal Kingdom, so I'll go ahead and end with y'all right here and attach all the stuff from Animal Kingdom. So I hope y'all are having a good week, and if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'd really like to get those sub numbers up. I think there's been like over 600 to watch my videos in total, but I've got like 31, 32 subscribers. I can't remember. So anyway, if you're enjoying what you're seeing or hearing, please subscribe to this channel. You don't have to, but I'm just asking. I'm tired. I'm going to get a shower and lay down or whatever, watch TV. Just rest. Just rest the rest of the night because it's another early day tomorrow and will be for the rest of the week. So good night, good night, good night. Please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
They don't like to be seen too much, so we will do our best. Alright, let's come on around here. Bird down to our left-hand side is going to be a saddle-billed stork. Pretty large bird at that. Those do get up around 5 feet tall, but that one there is a lovely lady. You can tell by her eye coloration. Females always have that yellow colored eye. Males that have a dark brown one instead. So, pretty easy to tell who's who when you're that close. Top of the hill to our right-hand side, those are greater kudu, and they're one of the taller antelope species out here on the reserve, standing about 55 inches tall at the shoulder. Up off to our left-hand side, not the best view in the world, but you're going to see a black rhino laying on down up against that rock wall there. They get up around 3,000 pounds. They can hit top speeds of around 35 miles an hour when charging, so pretty intense given their size. Continuing on our left-hand side, those are bongos. Bongos are known as the ghosts of the forest because they're so rarely seen. They do have those horns set in that backwards direction, just going to help them get through all this thick brush unscathed. Now we're going to exit on out of the Little Ituri Forest, and we will start decking. Hippos, they typically do spend a majority of their day underneath the water, just trying to keep themselves cool. But luckily for us, not terribly hot out here today, so our friends kind of just up and out enjoying the weather here. So we'll keep an eye on the water as we do come on through, just in case we can find some more, of course. But pretty cool view from here. Now, adult male hippos, they get up around 5,500 pounds. Adult females, a little bit less than that. But hippo calves, they are born at about 85 pounds. So pretty big babies, that's for sure. Let's come on around here a bit. And we're actually going to see some more of those hippos up and out of the water down to our left-hand side. So my friend seated on the left there can take another peek at them. Alright, but we're going to head across this bridge here now. Whilst we are on that bridge, we're going to see some Nile crocodiles. Their jaws are actually so strong that it will crush the bones of their prey. They'll get about 16 to 20 feet in length, so about as long as a giraffe is tall. Make sure we are staying fully seated at all times, friends, especially on a bridge above live Nile crocodiles. Alright, now in just a few moments here, we're going to head on out towards the savannah. And the savannah is home to some of Africa's most popular species, like giraffes, elephants, cheetahs, lions. So hopefully, well, those big trunks, but in order to conserve that water, they will actually remain leafless for around 9 months out of the year. But we'll make our way on down here. We're going to start to see some cool activity out there.
There they are! It's the giraffes! Look at them!
Alright, my friends, we'll start with what's closest to us first, work our way all the way around, because ultimately we'll end up getting a little bit closer to everything at some although, so pretty large right off the bat. They can hit top speeds of around 30-35 miles an hour, but out here on the reserve, if you do get lucky enough to see them running out around and playing, it's typically going to be more of a cruising speed of about 10. Usually that top of 35, that's going to be reserved for any instances they feel like they need to make a quick exit from. Now we will swing on back around here, so we'll see them again here in just a moment. Also see if we can maybe find any more of them.
They're so pretty.
Now for right now, we're going to pull on up, take a peek out to our left hand. The drops from exhaustion, so they do not give up easily, that's for sure. Mandrills are the largest monkeys in the world, with the males getting up around 100 pounds. They're known for those blue and red markings on their faces that will actually get brighter as they get more excited, so almost similarly to the way that we blush. Now, it's going to seem like I'm driving right by the elephants. I promise I'm not neglecting them. We're just going to... Now, you'll see their backs look a little bit dirty, a little bit dusty. Elephants, they do like to fling dirt and mud up onto their backs. Acts as a natural sunblock for them. They're known to have some very sensitive skin. But a very social species, just matriarchal, so coming on up for us as well. So as we swing on around, we'll continue to get some pretty cool views. Found something as large as one of these big old trees, but also be able to pick up something as small as a penny. So again, it's going to seem like I'm driving right by them, but I'm going to try and get us a better view. zebra off to our right hand side, a little bit closer to them. So just a little bit of a different angle on our friends that we saw from a distance before. Definitely some females hanging out and about, quite a few on over here, including that juvenile that's just by the baobab tree there. She's about 6 years old now, but still considerably tinier than the rest, so pretty easy to tell when it's her. Now we're also going to check out some flamingos while we're over here. These are specifically greater flamingos, so they're both the largest and the latest pink of all flamingo species, but they will actually hatch gray. So over their lifetimes, they're going to eat lots and lots of brine shrimp, tie in something called beta-carotene, and that's what's going to end up turning them that pink coloration that we all know and love. Will take a couple years to do so though, so not something that's going to... A few of them on over here, so a couple direct off to our left, one more in that far corner there. Friends, that's for sure. We should be able to see them again in just a moment, but not a bad view from here. As far as off to our left-hand side, if you look at that far tree there, you can kind of see a little bit of a lion poking on out next to it. You can see just his mane over there. I'll see if I can't pull on up here, maybe in a little bit of a different angle, because that's not the best view in the world, that's for sure. Of course, seems like he's laying down right in the middle. Female's kind of on the edge here. You can kind of see her a little bit better there, paws sticking out. Now lions, they do like to rest and conserve their energy for about 16 to 20 hours out of their day, so that's definitely what our friends there are doing. And these are pretty social as far as the rhino species goes. So white rhinos usually hanging out in familial units like this one. So what you're seeing is mom and baby hanging out there in the middle, dad's off to the right hand side, just kind of watching on over. Together, help each other out, just as long as it's done right. Now we are going to be heading on out of here, friends. Unfortunately, our time together is starting to come to a close.
tranquilla. Get up like a pajola. When you say, when you say, when you say, everybody gotta come my way. When you do, when you do, when you do, I must get you. So come my love, the way show me that way. Turn around, you'll be sure. Hello, 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 hey. I'm ready, are you ready for it? So come give me that, and don't hold back. Right here, right there. Come turn about, don't want to just song today. I'm singing and feeling my song. Yeah, like a man, hey. And you know the guy I show. Yeah, the mother band them don't know. I will rock this, I call you. When you say, when you say, when you say, everybody get from my way. When you do, when you do, when you do, I must get you. So come on up your way, show me that way. Hello, somebody.
And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration.
How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timothy's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing?
There he is, the mighty Pachyderm. Let me hear you! Triumphant!
Hi, everybody.
Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You're right on time.
Hey, Namatana! What a wonderful phrase! Hakuna Matata! Ain't no passing craze! Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there?
Until you